Welcome to Auto Sensi, your go-to channel for in-depth car reviews and explanations. Today we are diving into the all-new 2025 Dacia Duster, a rugged and budget-friendly SUV that's been completely revamped for the new generation. If you're looking for a practical SUV with a modern design, improved tech and solid performance, then stick around as we explore everything this new Duster has to offer. The 2025 Dacia Duster has undergone a major transformation. While staying true to its roots of affordability and durability, this latest version now rides on the CMF-B platform, which is also used by Renault and Nissan models, making it more refined and capable than ever before. The overall design has become bolder with sharp creases, a higher stance and a more aggressive front fascia. The Y-shaped LED headlights add a futuristic touch, while the wider grille gives it a commanding road presence with increased ground clearance and improved approach and departure angles. The new Duster is built to handle rough terrains with ease. Step inside and you'll notice a massive upgrade in quality and technology. The interior of the 2025 Duster is now more premium with soft touch materials and a more ergonomic layout. The highlight is the new 10-inch infotainment touchscreen that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making connectivity seamless. The digital instrument cluster adds a modern feel, while the redesigned steering wheel gives better grip and control. Dacia has also improved the seating comfort with better cushioning and support, ensuring long journeys are more enjoyable. Practicality remains a strong point with clever storage spaces, a spacious rear cabin, and a large boot capacity, making it perfect for families and adventure seekers alike. Under the hood, the 2025 Dacia Duster offers multiple powertrain options catering to different needs. The entry-level model features a 1.5 Safar-Liter turbocharged petrol engine, which is efficient and ideal for city driving. For those who need more power, there's a 1.3 Liter turbocharged unit delivering a balanced mix of performance and fuel efficiency. Diesel lovers can opt for the 1.5 Liter Blue DCI engine, which provides strong torque and better fuel economy. A significant addition is the hybrid version, which pairs a petrol engine with an electric motor for lower emissions and better fuel savings. The Duster also retains its capable 4x4 variant, which comes with an advanced all-wheel drive system and multiple drive modes, allowing it to tackle off-road conditions effortlessly. What sets the 2025 Dacia Duster apart is its unbeatable value for money. Despite its budget-friendly nature, it offers features that are usually found in more expensive SUVs. Advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring enhance safety. The rugged build combined with the latest technology makes it an excellent choice for those who want a reliable and stylish SUV without breaking the bank. So that's a complete look at the 2025 Dacia Duster with its fresh design, upgraded interior, improved performance options, and smart features. This SUV continues to be a strong contender in the affordable SUV market. What do you think about the new Duster? Let us know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Sensi for more detailed car reviews and explanations. See you in the next video.